heart. I just really need a brand new start. This love is in the gutter. We will never pick ourselves up and up.